Hi everyone, it's Susie Lee with 66 Degrees. Just want to share a great use case for Gemini Enterprise. I can't take credit for this one. This is from Octavian. He is amazing. Get a lot of my great ideas from him. So we are in peer review season and I had 16 peer reviews to do and it took me about 4.5 hours. I pinged Octavian joking about something and he shared something with me which I wish I had gotten earlier from him. So depending on how much you guys have for your peer reviews, I try to be very detailed, so that's probably why I get requested a lot. He sent me this prompt. So it's, I need a peer review for person. Search across available sources, emails, chat, documents, files, recognition, kudos to help me gather contacts. So Gemini Enterprise is a really great tool. It's enterprise search on like steroids. So not only does it search everything in workspace, but you could have connectors like Slack, Salesforce, and all the above. So I can share this with you. I'll put it in the link for you guys to review, but it's going over details with projects we worked on, direct interactions, what recognition feedback, deliverables, challenge or escalations, and then it's going to ask me for the format in this section. So name, title, role, project together in 2025, my role versus their role, specific examples of their contribution, and any kudos or recognition. So same thing repeated, but this is the format I wanted. This is fantastic. It saves so much time. So let's go to Gemini Enterprise and I'm going to copy and paste that in here. I did notice that when I use the prompt or when I try to add the person, it only pops up to me twice. So not sure if that's a bug or something, but I did notice that. So we're going to use Anthony. Everybody loves Anthony, so we're going to use him here. So every place that I see, and then I'm going to change from Octavian to myself. And I'm going to keep going through and change everything to Anthony. All right, so I've replaced everything with Anthony and I'm going to go ahead and submit. It does take a moment to pull all the data here. It's thinking, compiling strategies, but this is really great because instead of me trying to rack my brain or going through documentations or going through my calendar, it's going to pull everything together and summarize it for me the way Gemini always does, which is incredible. All right, and so let's see what we have. So it's in the format that we asked. It's telling me who my peer is, what his title is, the projects we worked on, and then my role versus their role, specific examples of their contribution on what he's done. It's pulling things and it's sourcing where this information came from. And then MVP and kudos, he gets a lot of kudos. Like I said, clients love him and they're always raving about him. Challenges that he navigated and anything else relevant. And then more detailed summary here. This was incredible. Having this at my fingertips, I was able to actually take like a 25 to 30 minute research and typing and pull this in like a couple minutes and then focus on writing in the peer reviews to 15 minutes. So it cut my time in half and I think they were a lot more accurate with this. So play around with it and take a look. You can ask Gemini to refine these as well. Octavian also has a gem called the humanizer. This is pretty funny. I loved it. He's like, oh yeah, if Gemini, has something that sounds too AI, you can actually put this in this gem and it will sound more like a human being. So there's some really cool things that you can do. Let me know if you want a demo or a trial for Gemini Enterprise or just have questions on it and love to give you more information. Thank you so much.